Let me try out the 1/100th of a second setting. So we are at Godolia Choraha, and that's the collection of Thandai shops. And I can see something in the front, a lot of heavy decoration. So it's a risk with 1/100th of a second. But let me see how the footage comes finally. If I see in the preview screen, it's looking quite bright and okay. But let me finally see how the footage comes in and what I'm able to see. It's a long line of decoration. The buildings are having these lights, and then there is this pathway which is decorated. So and as I mentioned earlier, at 1/100th of a second, the dancing light problem is slightly there, just slightly. You won't be able to notice it until unless you are looking on a very big screen. So that's the decoration, Jagdamba Vyapar Mandal. So it's like a shopkeepers association, and they have pulled in some money and must have got this decoration done. So this is the point where you have a transition. So over here, all the e-rickshaws and the cycle rickshaws are waiting, and they pick up passengers from this point. So there is one temple, or I would rather say a dham, which which is like the transition point. So from here, in the daytime, they drop you, and then you have to walk behind towards that Godolia Chauraha, or we shall call it as the Shashameva Road. So the jewelry shops are open. It must be some auspicious moment for them. Otherwise, it's just the hotels, the restaurants, and a couple of odd shops which are open. So that's good decoration. I could have taken the risk of 2/100th of a second, but I thought let's not take too many chances. There's a guy in front of me who is filming the street on his mobile. And I hope he's got a good footage. That's the road going inside to Bengali Tola. And that's the post office, CBPO. So that's the so-called transition point. It is named after this mutt. So over here in the daytime, you will find all the e-rickshaws, cycle rickshaws, auto rickshaws, they're all lined up. And from here, they drop you and then you have to walk back. So this complete portion is a commercial district, and that has been decked up for the festive season. Of course, Diwali is all about commercial considerations, and that's why they have put in all their effort in this. That's a furniture market. So this is a proper commercial part of the road.